welcome to my channel. Today I am with new numerical related to civil engineering subject applied mechanics on centroid and moment of inertia. Today we have to find out the polar moment of inertia at point O for the shaded area in the figure. We know polar moment of inertia is given by, if IP is the polar moment of inertia, then it is given by Ix plus Iy, which means polar moment of inertia is the sum of moment of inertia about x-axis and moment of inertia about y-axis. Let us start the numerical step by step. In figure, we can see there is a circle in which there is not any shaded line. We have to calculate the polar moment of inertia at point O for only the shaded portion. So, also the figure can be divided into flowing figure as flow. That is, first rectangle, second is circle, and third is right angle triangle. So first rectangle. Rectangle is positive, second is circle. Circle is negative because we have to calculate this moment of inertia of only shaded portion. Third is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, that is positive. Now our next step is the calculation of x bar and y bar of each figure separately. Next, calculation of x bar and y bar. Let us analyze each figure separately. First, for rectangle, if A1 is the area of rectangle, we know area of rectangle is L into B. If this is A, B and C, we need to have calculate the length of BC. Here BC is equal to P by B. It means BC is equal to tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC. Tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC. The BC is equal to AB by tan 45. BC is equal to AB by tan 45 degree. Here length of AB is 8 meter, as we can see in figure. It means 8 divided by tan 45 degree. 8 divided by tan 45 degree, 8 meter. So remaining length is here. OB is equal to length of OC is 20 minus BC means length of OB. Length of OB is equal to OC minus BC. That is OC is equal to 20, BC 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 meter. So A1 is equal to 12 into L into B means 12 into 8, 96 meter square. Also x1 is equal to, this is rectangle, and by formula x bar of rectangle is L by 2, means 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 meter. Y1 is also equal to 8 divided by 4, because this is rectangle, that is 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 meter. Next, circle. 4 circle. If A2 is the area of circle, we know area of circle is pi r square, that is pi into r. Radius of this circle is 3 square. Pi into 3 square means pi into 3 square is equal to 28.274 meter square. x2 for circle. Here in figure we can see x2 for circle is 5 meter. y2 is equal to 4 meter. In figure we can see y2 is equal to 4 meter. x2 is equal to 5 meter. So y2 is equal to 4 meter, and for triangle, right angle triangle, and for right angle triangle, we know if A3 is the area of right angle triangle, then area of right angle triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is 8 meter and height is also 8 meter. So 8 into 8 is equal to 32 meter square. Also x3 in figure we can see there is a right angle triangle. If O, this is our x-axis and this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. To calculate x bar of rectangle, here OB is equal to 12 meter. So x3 is equal to 12 plus 1 by 3 into 8 is equal to 12 plus 1 by 3 into 8 is equal to 14.166, because x3 is equal to 12 plus 1 by 3 into 8 is equal to 14.66, because this is our referential axis and we have to move from 90 degree. That's why 12 plus 1 by 3 into 8 is equal to 14.66. Also y3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 8 is equal to y3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 8, that is 2.67 meter. Now our next step is calculation of x bar and y bar of whole figure using formula. Now we know x bar is equal to A1 x1 minus A2 x2 plus A3 x3 divides a1 minus a2 plus x3. On putting value, we get a1 is equal to 96 into x1 6 minus a2 is equals to 28.274 into x2 is equal to 5 plus a3 is equal to 32 into x3 is equal to 14.66 divides by a1 is equal to 96 minus a2 is equal to 28.274 plus a3 is equal to 32. On calculating, we get 96 into 6 minus 28.274 into 5 plus 32 into 14.66 divided by 96 minus 28.274 plus 32. We get 9.062. Similarly, y bar is equal to a1 y1 minus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 minus a2 plus. Similarly, y bar can be calculated. On substituting the value of a1, y1, a2, y2, a3, y3, we get y bar is equal to 3.57 meter. Now our next step is the calculation of Ix and Iy, because polar moment of inertia is the sum of moment of inertia about x-axis and moment of inertia about y-axis. Now let us calculate Ix and Iy. Now next step is calculation of Ix and Iy. We get Ix is equal to, in figure we can see our figure first is rectangle. So we know the moment of inertia about x-axis of rectangle is bh cube by 12, that is bh cube by 12 plus b1 h1 a1 y1 square. In figure we can see our first figure is rectangle, second is right angle triangle, and second is circle, and third is rectangle triangle. So let us analyze this figure using formula. So our second figure is circle, and we have to take here negative sign in front of circle because we have to exclude this figure. That is, we know the moment of inertia about x-axis of circle is pi r 4 by 8 plus a2 y2 square. Next, plus our next is right angle triangle, and we know the moment of inertia of right angle triangle about x-axis is given by bh cube by b3 h3 bh cube by 36 plus a3 y3 square. Here On substituting here, on substituting all these value b, h, a1, y1, finally we get ix is equal to 1873.96 meter 4. Let us, you can check this calculation by substituting all these value, and finally you get this answer. Similarly, we can calculate Iy, that is moment of inertia of this composite figure about y-axis. Our first figure is rectangle. Moment of inertia of rectangle about y-axis is given by hb cube by 36 plus a1 x1 square minus pi r 4 by 8, because the moment of inertia of circle about y-axis is pi r 4 by 8 plus a 2 x2 square. Our next remaining is right angle triangle, and we know the moment of inertia of right angle triangle about y-axis is hb cube by 12. hb cube by 36. Here our first figure is rectangle, so the moment of inertia of rectangle about y-axis is given by hb cube by 12, and moment of inertia of circle is pi r 4 by 8, and moment of inertia of right angle triangle is hb cube by 36 plus a3 x3 square. On substituting all these value, we get Iy is equal to 4420.85 meter 4. Now our final calculation is the calculation of polar moment of inertia. So hence polar, if Ip is the polar moment of inertia, then we know polar moment of inertia is equal to Ix plus Iy. So Ix is equal to 1873.96 plus 4420.85 meter 4, that is 1873.96 plus 4420.85. Finally we get 6294 meter 4. This is the polar moment of inertia of this shaded portion. If you haven't watched my video yet before publishing this, then please click on the I button and you can watch through this, and you can also visit my channel for more video. Thank you. Finally, be in touch.